Hello and welcome back. If you long for a home always ready to welcome you with calm, but the thought of endless cleaning feels overwhelming, you're in the right place. Together, we'll explore simple, elegant solutions to transform your home into a sanctuary of peace and order. Before we even think about cleaning, we must address the heart of a tidy home: decluttering. When we surround ourselves with things that spark joy, cleaning becomes a breeze, not a burden. Imagine walking into a room where every item has its place, where surfaces are clear and a sense of calm washes over you. By letting go of things that no longer serve us, we make space for joy, creativity, and peace of mind. Decluttering an entire home can feel daunting. Set a timer for 10 minutes each day. Choose one small area, a drawer, a shelf, a corner, and mindfully declutter. Hold each item. Does it spark joy? If not, thank it for its service and let it go with gratitude. You'll be amazed how these small efforts transform your space, creating a ripple effect of calm. Now that we're embracing the beauty of letting go, let's create a habit to prevent clutter from creeping back in. For every new item that comes into your home, a new book, a new sweater, a new gadget, select one item to donate or discard. Sometimes we need a structured approach to decluttering. Label 3 boxes: keep, donate, discard. Items that spark joy go in keep, items in good condition go in donate. This system brings clarity and organization. The kitchen, the heart of the home, needs special attention. Small, consistent habits are key. Wipe down counters and surfaces after each use. Put dishes away immediately after meals. These small acts prevent messes from piling up and create a sense of order. A sparkling clean microwave feels like a small victory. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water, lemon slices, and a splash of vinegar. Heat the mixture for 3 to 5 minutes, letting the steam loosen grime. Stovetop burners attract grease and grime. Create a paste with baking soda and water. Apply the paste to your stove burners. Wipe with a damp cloth to reveal sparkling clean burners. A sink full of dirty dishes can dampen the energy of a kitchen. Instead of letting dishes pile up, make it a habit to wash or load the dishwasher right after each meal. Your living room should be a sanctuary of relaxation, a haven of peace and comfort. Choose furniture with clean lines and calming colors. Opt for natural materials like wood and linen. Your living room should reflect your inner peace and tranquility. Even in the most organized homes, clutter can find its way into our living spaces. Place a stylish basket in your living room, a discreet catch-all for items that tend to wander. At the end of the day, gather up any misplaced items and place them in the basket. Imagine waking up to a living room bathed in peace and order. Before bed, take 5 minutes to reset your living room. In our technology-filled world, cords and cables can quickly create visual clutter. Utilize self-adhesive cable clips to secure cords along the back of furniture, under shelves, or behind desks. Your bedroom should be your ultimate retreat, a haven of rest and rejuvenation. Declutter your nightstand, keeping only essential items for a restful night's sleep. A clutter-free nightstand is key to a peaceful night's sleep. Keep only the essentials within arm's reach: a lamp, a book, and perhaps a small vase with a fragrant flower. Maximize your storage space while maintaining a sense of order by utilizing the often overlooked area under your bed. Invest in sleek, low-profile storage bins, rolling drawers, or even custom-built solutions. Transform your morning routine with a simple yet powerful act of self-care: making your bed. Smooth your sheets, fluff your pillows, and drape your bedspread with care and attention. Your bathroom should be a sanctuary of self-care, a retreat where you can unwind and pamper yourself. Embrace the power of natural cleaning agents like vinegar and baking soda to tackle grime and mildew. Prevent water spots and soap scum buildup on your shower doors with a simple tool: a squeegee. Keep a small squeegee in your shower and make it a habit to wipe down the glass doors after every single use. Embrace the power of natural cleaning agents to keep your toilet bowl fresh. Create your own DIY toilet bombs using baking soda, citric acid, and your favorite essential oils. A clutter-free bathroom counter is essential for creating a spa-like ambiance. Keep your counters clear of unnecessary items, storing your toiletries and essentials neatly in drawers or organizers. Your entryway is the first impression of your home. Choose a durable, easy-to-clean rug to welcome guests and trap dirt. Prevent shoes from piling up near the door and creating a sense of disorder by providing a designated shoe storage solution. Encourage family members to place their shoes in the designated area as soon as they enter the house. Avoid the frantic search for keys by designating a stylish key bowl or tray near your entryway. Encourage family members to place their keys and other small essentials in the bowl upon entering. Instead of tossing coats and bags on chairs or the floor, upgrade your entryway with individual coat hooks for each family member to use. This simple addition creates a sense of order and encourages everyone to take responsibility for their belongings. We all have those days when time is scarce and cleaning feels like an impossible task. Focus on high-traffic areas like the kitchen counter, the bathroom sink, and the entryway. These small acts of tidying can make a big impact. Embrace the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Transform laundry day from a chore into a mindful practice. Instead of letting laundry pile up, fold or hang clothes as soon as they come out of the dryer. As your day winds down, take a moment to reset your home for the night. Spend 10 minutes tidying up clutter, returning items to their places, and prepping for a peaceful morning. And there you have it, my friends. Simple, elegant hacks to create a home that is not only spotlessly clean, but also a true reflection of your inner peace. Embrace the joy of decluttering, find pleasure in cleaning, and discover the power of an organized home. Share your favorite hacks in the comments below, and let's inspire each other on this journey to create homes that spark joy. Until next time, may your home be ever tidy, ever peaceful, and ever full of joy. Before we wrap up, here are a few bonus tips to keep your home in tip-top shape. First, keep a microfiber cloth handy to quickly dust surfaces as you move through your home. Second, designate a catch-all tray for small items like keys, sunglasses, and loose change to avoid clutter buildup. Lastly, create a weekly cleaning schedule to tackle different areas of your home, ensuring nothing gets overlooked. With these additional tips, maintaining a tidy haven becomes even more effortless. Happy cleaning!